your Shrestha ma'am back here to explain you class 5 lesson number 9. Student, what is your lesson number 9 students? Your lesson number 9 is communication. Already students, you all have studied that what is the meaning of communication in your previous classes. Students, the meaning of communication is the act of sending and receiving messages from one person to another. Like I want to explain you this whole chapter 9, and how I am explaining you, I am explaining by recording in the recording from the mobile here, and when you will go on Param app, you will download it and you will see whatever knowledge and whatever explanation I have done here, you will get to know from that app. So how you have received your message? You have received your message by watching the video. So my meaning was that whatever act I have done to send message from my video, that you have listened from the video. Okay, so the act which we both have done, that was what the communication. Like you were talking to your mother also, if she wants to speak anything to you, you go to her and you just talk to her. So this is only the meaning of communication, like you are talking to someone and he is understanding what you want to speak. Okay student, it's very simple. Cartoon also you are watching. In that cartoon also, whatever the cartoon is the character of cartoon is trying to speak, that you are understanding, that is only the communication. Okay student, here we are having some topics to study in the this chapter. See, communication, next is post office, another is telegraph, then telephone. These are the topics: telephone, then mobile phones, facsimile, mass media, internet, television, advertisement. Okay students, these are our topics of the class. Already I have explained you the definition of communication, the act of sending and receiving students messages. Now student, our first topic is post office. What is the next topic? For post office. Student, already you know, if you want to, if in ancient time when the mobile was not there, nothing was there, Raja Maharajas are living, how do they pass their messages? They ran the pigeons, and that pigeon take the messages, and they go to the person whom the Raja Maharaja has sent the message. They go there. Like this, after that, if Raja wants to speak anything to his villagers, to his town people, he send his servants by beating the drum. The servants tell that suno, 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 the Raja has announced this and that. All these were done by the Raja Maharaja servant to give the communication, whatever was there, to give the message to the people of the town. Like this here student, your first is post office. In post office, what are you posting? You are posting the letters. If your friend is living in Delhi, you are posting the letters from here, then he is receiving in the Delhi. Like this, you are sending the letters. So this is the problem of letter, that it is taking little time to go. And courier. What is courier student? Courier is a gift hamper or any book you want to send from one person to another. That is the thing that can go. Then next is the speed post. Speed post, suppose the Raksha Bandhan festival is there, student, tomorrow or day after tomorrow Raksha Bandhan festival is there, and the sister has not said, suppose I am a sister and I didn't send the Rakhi to my brother. What? Because I am having very less time. So what I will do, I will take the Rakhi and I will get it post with the speed post. Okay. So here students, your speed post is over. Now our next topic is what student? Telegraph. Student, telegraph is invented by Samuel Morse. It is the way by which message can be sent in short time. Okay, by telegraph, people are using trunk call. They are going to the telegraph office. They are making the call. That call is going to a person, and then he talk to the person, or message has been sent to the person. Now next is the telephone. Student, nowadays all the students are using, all the mothers, ma'am, teachers, everyone is using mobile phone. Before mobile phone, telephone was there. Telephone also we are able to talk to a person, or we can send whatever we want to talk. we are dialing 6-digit or 7-digit number, and that person is receiving the call, and then we are talking. But telephone is having drawback. We can't take telephone to everywhere. Okay, suppose if we want to go to market, telephone is at home, but we can't take telephone to the market. So this drawback has taken the place by the mobile. When mobile came, with the invention of mobile phone, student, this problem is being solved. You can take your mobile and you can go to anywhere all around the world. Now next is the student facsimile. Student, this facsimile is a facsimile, short form is fax. This fax has been sent. It is a machine. It is used in industries, offices, hospitals to send the documents from one place to another. Okay. Now next is student mass media. Already student, you are well known about this topic, mass media. You all are watching television, you are reading magazine, you are listening radio. So mass media is the process by which many people can receive the message at a time. Okay, like when Modi has given lockdown, so all the country people are watching the country are watching the television, and they get to know that from up to which date to which date our lockdown is there. Next topic is student internet. You all know student, you all are, if you want to search anything, you are going on Google, you are typing anything and you are searching everything. So internet is a worldwide network of computer. By internet, the world has been connected very properly. If you want to send anyone message, you can open your email ID and you can send message in the whole world. So this facility has been given by the internet. Okay, students, email is what? Electronic mail, by which you can give electronic mail, means letter, electronic message to any person. Next student, television. Already you know about television. Television was invented by John Logie Baird. By the television you can see also and you can hear also about a person who is talking or about a picture which is coming on the screen. Next topic is advertisement. Student, if any product has came in the market without watching the ad of it, we are not purchasing it from the market. So advertisement is the essential part to be sell a product. Okay, suppose if I have made my pen and I want to send to you that if you will write from it, you will get very good marks. So I am going to give ad in a television. So you will look in the television, student. What you will do, you will look in the television and then you will go and you will purchase that pen. Alright student, here your chapter communication is over, student. If you will go to the book and you will read the book, you will over all the topics and you will understand all the topics like of communication, post office, telegraph, telephone, mobile phone, facsimile, mass media, internet, television and advertisement. Alright student, now your and my meeting will be in the last chapter of first term course, or that is the lesson 10. So students, wait for my next video when it is going to come, then you are going to understand the lesson number 10. Okay student, so bye.